If you take a Caribbean cruise that finishes up in Puerto Rico, then you can always just fly home that same day immediately following your cruise. But why not take a few extra days and explore the island? There's so much to see and do in Puerto Rico, from the historic downtown area and the local beaches, or you could take a kayaking tour one night and see some of the bioluminescent pools that are nearby. We booked an extra night at the Casa Costera Apartments by Marriott, and it was a great hotel. It was in a perfect location, just a block away from the beach and near to the airport, as well as the downtown area where the cruise ship comes in. They had a lovely rooftop deck where they had a bar, some loungers, as well as a gorgeous infinity pool. And before the bar opened, if you fancied a drink, they did have a little market store downstairs where you could buy some drinks and snacks. And within easy walking distance of the hotel are lots of great restaurants. Our Uber driver recommended Piu Bella, and so we took the short walk there, and it's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We had some amazing pina coladas, which of course originated in Puerto Rico, and I ordered this pizza, which was massive and inexpensive, but in the end wasn't the best pizza I've ever had. All right, so this is a partial ocean view room here at the Casa Costera hotel. This is part of the Marriott chain, so it's Apartments by Bonvoy, and so it's sort of more of a mid to long range stay. So we've got a full kitchen here. We've got some cooking stuff and Tupperware up there. In here, we've got bottled water and some glassware. And this one is nothing. We have a full-size fridge, which there is a restaurant just down the street that does pizza that size for $12.99. So we took advantage of that. We've got some ice cubes in here. And then there's assorted other cutlery and dishes and stuff like that. So you can see we've got a full sink, hot plate, microwave, coffee maker, and a dishwasher. This is the bathroom. So it's just a slider door, which, whatever. And then a single vanity with a big mirror here. Nice big fluffy towels and a shower. If you watch my Explorer Journeys video of the room, you would actually see that on the cruise ship, shower was slightly bigger. Unheard of. There is a hairdryer in here as well. Little sitting area. The laundry services are complimentary for guests here, and they also have laundry soap complimentary. Wow, this is pretty big. Lots of space to stash your clothes, but no room safe. Unless it's hidden somewhere. We shall see. And then we've got a nice big TV here, a couple of beds. What do we have in here? Oh, good. We do have a safe. Phew. And a little chair. And this is maybe not the best view, but we're only the third floor. Over there, you can see the ocean over there, and also kind of can see it down this side. I wonder if I can get the angle right for you. Maybe not. I can't quite get close enough to the glass. Just in that corner right over there, you can kind of see it. But we're about 100 feet from the beach, and shops all around. There's a grocery store, you can buy stuff. And then there's a bar upstairs, which opens at 5. It's also a rooftop pool, so you can enjoy the facilities up there.